You think that such a vacation is very far from you? You are wrong. If you are just subscribed to my YouTube channel and you will not miss any video, you will have more than that. Also, there was an idea. And what if we choose the most active and successful students and arrange a joint vacation with a unique course? What do you think? Write your comments, guys.
So, we are on the broker and let's start our trading. On my balance you can see the amount of $50, and from this amount we will accelerate our today's deposit. Opening trades on the minute time frame. Today we have a market OTC. Respectively, it is a good percentage of payouts on each of the currency pair and the most optional by the nature of the movement I have already analyzed and selected. Respectively, today we have a double Donchian channel. The first one will have a period of 20, which is the important. The second one will have a period of 10. And we have a CCI oscillator with a period of 15. And in this way, we capture a lot of periods of movement starting from 10 and ending with 20. And accordingly, universal strategy today on the breakdown. In the course of trading, you will understand how to correctly we need to work on this strategy. In general, there is nothing complicated here. So let's start trading and choose our first currency pair. This is where we're going to open against the trend on the downside. And I'll explain the principle of opening trade on the downside. Working on this strategy, we have to look for the local maximum or minimum, our extreme point, and when the two upper slides of our channel indicators touch, a new local high is formed, and that's the first signal to open a downtrade. But we should also watch the exit from the overbought area or a rebound from the overbought area, and only then open a downtrade. Let's watch the result. And our first trade closes in the plus without any problems. Even we open in the wrong place, that is, we should have opened right here, but nevertheless, we still had a pullback and the deal closed in plus. This is about open trades on the downside. Now we'll try to understand the entry into a deal on the upside. Let's start and choose the following currency pair.
If you wanna get free real money to your trading account right now, in the description of this video I will leave a link to this trading platform, my friends. I trade here every day and I write a new promo that gives you real free money to the balance. You can use them for trading. It's best way for practice for beginners.
Let's open a down trade here as well. We got a good signal again. Let's highlight the working area. Yes, once again I'll explain you how to open a trade on the downside. We open now again the trend. There was a touch of the upper sliding of our wallpaper channel indicator, respectively our first signal, and we see that our oscillator is coming out of the overbought area. And then we see that it has been in the overbought area for a very long time. Accordingly, the market has become oversaturated and we have an exit and we open trade on the downside. Let's watch the result. And our next trade closes in plus. That is, in general, I think you understand how this strategy works. Let's now try to open trade on the upside. Let's start and choose the following currency pair. This is also a very good entry into a down trade. I can't help but open it here, because it's very reliable signal, plus or minus, but by the way the trend is downward and we open additionally on the trend, which reinforces our signal to open a trade. We also have a touch of the two upper moving charts. A new local high is formed, so our first signal has been honored. And then we see the exit from the overbought area again, and after this price pullback we open a deal on the downside. Let's watch the result. And the next trade we also again closes in plus. You see, the principle of this strategy is really simple. And even we open a trade not quite in the right level, still we closed it in the plus. Let's continue trading and pick up our next currency pair. Here we are going to open a trade on the upside. Here we have market oversaturation also. Let's highlight the working area. Also, after synchronization of the channels, we have a touch of the lower sliding on both of them channel indicator. Earlier there was a strong downward correction, and accordingly we see that our moving oscillator is in the oversold zone, and this causes market oversaturation. Should be maintained balance. And so we also conclude that we should move up, and we open a trade on the upside. Let's look at the result. And we close the trade again in the plus. The principle of the strategy to open trades on the upside is exactly the same. That is, we see, and what is the situation of the movement? Open a trade on the upside, and you see the result of price movement. In general, everything is reliable. I'm completely satisfied with today's trade. The principle of this strategy, I think you understand. So, I will not go into explanation. Let's continue trading. Enjoy it and pick up the next currency pair. Let's open a trade here on the upside. First of all, we had a very strong correction in our dynamics. Earlier there was a downward dynamics, then it took it upward side, and after our update, just here where the deal was open, the local maximum, the dynamics of the movement has strongly gone into the correction. There was a touch of the lower movement of our channel indicator, and as a very strong correction was, I think here we'll be able just enough of the balance in the dynamics, and we're going to go up. Let's watch the result. And yes, our trade closes in plus. Let's change the amount of the value. Let's put $651 and open two trades for the amount of $1,302. In general, now again we are not wrong. The signal was absolutely correct. Let's continue trading and pick up the next currency pair. And here we'll open two trades on the upside. The same entry principle we have, with the upward dynamics. A very strong correction was the price, that is, after the formation of a new local maximum occurred, the same strong correction, touching the two lower moving lines of our channel indicator. We also see a small crossover, but mostly a rebound from the oversold area. And in general, that's why trades are open on the upside here. Let's watch the result of these trades. And the next trades are also easily closed in plus. Let's open two trades for the amount of $2,000. Let's continue trading and pick up the following currency pair. Yes, here again we are open trades on the upside. Again, we are opening trade in the direction of the trend. We are opening trades here at the intersection of the oversold area of our oscillator. And we have seen the exit, and immediately we open trades. Also here we have everything in place, the formation of a new local minimum, and touching the lower moving channel indicator. In general, that's why trades are open upwards. We have several seconds left. Watch the result.
If you wanna get free real money to your trading account right now, in the description of this video I will leave a link to this trading platform, my friends. I trade here every day, and I write a new promo that gives you real free money to the balance. You can use them for trading. It's best way for practice for beginners.
And also our next trade are easily closed in the plus. When you open trades on the trend, it reinforces your signal, the profitability of your signal, because you are helped by the trend. In general, to consolidate the result, we will open the final trades for the amount of $4,000. Let's proceed and pick up the next currency pair. And this is where our final trades will be open to go up again. In general, we have an upward trend here, and we also saw a very strong pullback after the formation of a new local high. Accordingly, we also had a touch of the two lower moving lines of our channel indicator, and then we see that our moving oscillator in the oversold area and is turning around. Accordingly, we open our closing trades here on the upside as well. And let's watch the result of the closing trades. And our closing trades are closing in the plus. A great touch point for the closing trades. We were timely and opened the trade on the time and in the right level and fix them in the plus. In general, I am completely satisfied with the result of the trade. Let's go to the conclusion. To the wallet and we will have $7,900. And our operation is successfully executed. This is the trade we got today, using two channel indicator and one oscillator. Write your comments, guys. What do you think about this strategy? Also, do not to give this video a like. Do not forget to subscribe. I love you guys. Bye bye.